Simplesat integrates with ServiceNow in a number of ways. You can use it to create a CSAT, CES, NPS, or 5-star feedback survey and embed it directly into your email signature. Create a new survey and modify the survey settings according to your preferences. Select External Email Embed from the Publish section. Then, select ServiceNow from the pop-up box. Click the Generate Embed Code button. Make sure you're on the HTML option, then click Copy Survey. To send out email notifications when an incident gets marked as resolved, select Incident Resolved. But feel free to pick a different notification if you'd like to send surveys triggered by different events. Next, go to the What Will It Contain tab. In the Message HTML section, click the source code icon. Then, paste the HTML survey code that you copied from Simplesat. And then click Save. The survey should now show up in the email notification preview. Lastly, click Update in the top right corner of the page. In case you haven't done so already, outbound email sending needs to be enabled and set up in ServiceNow. Check whether or not email sending is enabled by selecting Email Diagnostics. The red X means email sending isn't working yet. Enable outbound emails by going to Email Properties. Enable email sending, then click Save, and set up an email account under Email Accounts. Finally, go back to Email Diagnostics. A green checkmark means that email sending is now working. Let's explore how Simplesat integrates with ServiceNow. This integration streamlines the process by automatically updating 3 custom fields in ServiceNow with a customer's rating, sentiment, and comment. With Simplesat, you can seamlessly integrate feedback ratings and sentiments into an incident's labels. This provides enhanced organizational clarity, and it facilitates efficient tracking of customer sentiments and ratings within incidents. Just like with ongoing email surveys, once you embed the survey and configure the integrations, everything will run in the background without any extra effort on your part. Got queries or need backup? Our team is all set to lend a hand via live chat or a speedy screen share call. Please do not forget to have fun!